Okay, well, we got another beautiful day on our hands. We're gonna try to get out and do some exploring. We heard about an old abandoned mansion out in these hills here, so we're gonna go see if we can find it. Check it out, sounds interesting. Okay, we are gonna park the bikes and hike the last half mile. There was just some really rough rocky spots and we don't want to risk coming upon anymore. We found this nice little grassy patch next to this little stream. So we're gonna park the bikes here and hike the rest of it. Going up in there. Spotted some old glass here. Look how thick that bottle is. The side of it down here has a little design on it. I don't know what that is. That's thick. Getting close. You can see some remnants of the mine up here. See some tailings and a little metal shack. Well, there it is, the old Kingman mansion. Pretty wild to see that out in this canyon here. It is out in the middle of nowhere. The spring is running right by the front of it here, and then it looks like the actual mine site is up on this hillside. This is an official archaeological site, historical site. There doesn't appear to be very much vandalism or graffiti or anything, which is very pleasing to see. Well, the only real damage I'm seeing around here is unfortunately on the information board here. So it's hard to read there, though there is a picture of this online, so you can read it. And it's cool, they got a photo of back in the day. That's what it looked like. Looks like there was another dwelling just up behind it here. We'll check out, see if there's any remnants of that. Looks like it was a wooden structure, so probably not. But because this is all concrete, it's pretty much still standing as it was. Some vines growing all over it. All right, let's go check it out. All concrete here, amazing. There's even some of the old wooden framing still left here in these big windows. All these arched doorways, pretty wild. So the story is that this was built for all the wealthy investors that were investing in the actual mine here. They were pulling out gold, silver, copper. They went with the arched doorway theme pretty much throughout. A couple square ones here. What a neat spot though. Look at that. These archways here. Oh, there's a native.
Guarding the mine.
Looks like maybe that was a little stove or some sort there. Looks like maybe this was a bathroom. You can see a sewer drain there, some piping in the concrete. There's a smaller arched doorway. Yeah, pretty wild. And it looks like there is not much. I see some stone foundation from where the wooden dwelling was. We'll walk up there, see if we can see anything. Looks like a fireplace here. Oh, look at this. There's some of the old trim. Look at that. So that's the upper level. We're wondering if there's a lower level. This is kind of sketchy. Kelly's waiting for me to go first. Yeah, this looks like there's a lower, maybe like basement area. Ooh, little bird. I thought it was a bat. Yeah, maybe this was just for storage or Just a little single room down here. Yeah, that looks like it. You get a little better view if you can see the tailings from the mine there. Pretty far out. All that's left is the concrete. Some old piping there. Looks like there's a little bird nest up there. Pretty cool, huh, buddy? Yeah, we'll take a walk around the backside here. Yeah, it looks like there is another. No, that's the same upper level. Yeah, it's just that top level there. Looks like maybe, 8 or so different rooms. And then based on that old picture, there was a wooden house of some sort here. From up above, I could see the stacked stone foundation. I'm wondering if we can get over there. Looks like maybe a trail here. That spring is running right by. Set of stairs back here. Up these. That looks like it leads to the roof maybe. Looks like the roof is concrete too, but there is a sign saying don't walk on the roof, it's unstable, don't risk it. So I'm gonna observe that. Keep an eye out for rattlers in the meantime. Oh yeah, solid concrete roof. This thing was built to last. Looks like the chimney there that I showed on the inside. And I'm gonna observe that and not walk on it. Yeah, it looks like you can see a little rock wall there. Yeah, we're starting to spot some concrete here. You can tell there was a concrete foundation. It's there, it's kind of broken up here, maybe just covered in dirt. Some more of it over here. They hauled all the wood out of here, burnt it or something.
Yeah, scoot cruiser, sheesh.
That's our mansion. We're moving in.
Yeah.
Get the vans up here. Homesteading.
Our room with a view.
Looks like the mine shaft is probably up top there. I don't know if we'll be able to get up there. A lot of remnants of the old mine shaft structure. Probably came down here on these concrete, down to the bottom there where Kelly is. Okay, well I made it up top here. You can see the old mansion down there. And I was thinking this was the mine shaft. Not an expert on how mining works, but I don't think this was the shaft. I think this is just where they probably had a cart system to get their diggings down. And it looks to me like the actual mine shaft is over this way. I saw this wooden post. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to fall in it. But I think it's right down in this hole here. Yeah, that's a deep hole. See if I can maybe go down this way, get a closer look. Yep, that'd be the mine there. That'd be the mine shaft there. I am not getting too close. Oh, looks like it's quite filled in. I can step over a little bit. But that looks like that was it there. Big deep hole. Looks like there's a Bud Light bottle down there, of course. Yeah, you can see some metal and piping in there. So yeah, it looks like that was the mine. Piling out all the tailings here and then hauling up everything to go down that, what was probably an old cart system. It's fun to be at these old sites and just imagine people out here working every day. Man, what a lot of work to get precious metals out of the ground, especially back in those days. Yeah, money, 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 the drive. This guy's posing for me.
Poser.
There's this little post here that's marked well. So I was first thinking that they were pulling water off of the spring, but maybe they dug a well. Not sure if that's accurate. It looked like there was an old kind of stove or something back there. And then there's one more little piece of structure. Don't know what this was. Maybe storage of some sort. Food cache. You can see like an old box cabinet in there. Just off to the side of the mansion. Pretty neat site. There is a logbook here as well you can sign. Oh, I should have brought some stickers. Let's see when the last people that signed were here. Is there dates? Date 4/23, 5/3, just last week. Should we sign it? Is there a pin? Yeah, let's sign it. Okay, saying goodbye to the Gold King Mansion. Case closed. Well, we made it back to the bikes. It's really only, I think it was just a half-mile hike up. And then this trail, we've got about a mile and a half back to the main road, Blake Ranch Road. And there's some really rough spots. I think I had my GoPro off for a lot of it. I did go down once. So we're just gonna take it easy and try to get ourselves out of here.